Introducing the SAMM MD. It's a motion detection system designed for hospitals to improve their care and to save money. It gets imaging patients scanned faster and monitoring their movement inside MRIs, head CTs, and more. It boosts speed, adds safety and security, and enhances facility security. Getting a medical scan isn't fast. Patients end up spending a long time inside imaging machines. It's not very comfortable. Holding perfectly still isn't easy, especially for patients that are in pain, the elderly, or children. This is a patient getting a scan. Now, once the patient moves, the whole scan is ruined, but the technician won't have any idea until after they see the final image. That's a lot of wasted time for everybody involved. So let's change that. The SAMM MD is pretty simple. It consists of a camera connected to a computer. The camera watches and displays the patient. When that patient moves, the system will pause with an audio and visual cue. By combining high-fidelity cameras with sophisticated software, the SAMM MD can catch motion artifacts before the technologist. Now let's try this again, this time with a SAMM MD. Patient will load into the machine, and we start our scan. Patient moves again, but this time the SAMM MD catches it instantly. The technologist now knows to restart the scan. The SAMM MD will confirm the patient will remain still, and the image comes out clean consistently. Medical technologists have a ton to do, and the SAMM MD supports their workload. By having a second set of eyes always trained on the patient, and with 4 independent cameras and an intuitive touchscreen interface, the system enhances any existing scanner and adds a layer of video and safety security. Because medical scanning is dangerous, accidents do happen. By having these on video, your facility is protected from liability. While your facility sleeps, the SAMM MD doesn't. With its nights and weekends mode, the system keeps a watchful eye on some of the most valuable rooms in your facility. If triggered by motion, it can notify an on-call security officer or technician via email and phone. Organization is the key to any smooth operation. That's why the SAMM MD system interfaces with your facility's own DICOM work list to source patient IDs, keeping your files and system in order and understandable.